Position your clamp as shown on your roll bar. Open the clamp up, grab your O-ring, insert it firmly into the bottom groove. Wrap the O-ring around the roll bar while pressing firmly into the top groove. Use caution when closing the clamp. Now you can adjust it up and down as needed. Insert the threaded end of the visor into the hole best suited for your vehicle. Install the flat washer, followed by the cap nut, and hand tighten. Take the provided wrenches with the red one on the cap nut and tighten securely. Make sure the visor turns freely and the bolt does not turn. It's time to ride.